Good day, folks. My name is Sean, and this is Air Photography. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the GPC case for the new DJI FPV drone. This is a durable, waterproof hardshell case to help keep your investment protected. After all, the DJI FPV drone is not cheap. This case will hold everything that comes in the DJI FPV combo kit, as well as the Fly More kit. So let's just jump right in and take a closer look. I have featured many GPC cases in the past on my channel. They probably are one of the top manufacturers when it comes to cases. GPC is so confident in the durability and performance of their case, they're one of the only case manufacturers that offer a lifetime warranty. They really do stand behind their product. So let's just take a quick look around the case here. This is a military grade case. It offers a good amount of impact protection. It is waterproof, dustproof. On the front here, we do have a rubberized handle, and it has a double latch system. So there's a trigger in there that you have to pull first before the latch will open. That will prevent accidental opening of the case when you don't want it to. We have two places in which we can place padlocks to keep your equipment a little more secure. And on the inside, it has precision cut foam, so that way you know it's going to fit your equipment perfectly. Let's go ahead, we'll open it up and we'll see how everything fits inside. Like I mentioned, it is precision cut foam. Now this is a closed cell foam, so that means it's not going to absorb things like dust and moisture. So let's go ahead here and I'll just show you how everything fits in. The first thing here you can see, this will fit the charging hub that comes with the Fly More kit. This back slot here is a great place to store your propellers, and there's enough room in there to hold some spares. We have two spots here to hold the power pack for the goggles. And as you can see here, it will hold a spare. In this back corner here, there's a spot for the motion controller. Now, if you don't own the motion controller, it is actually pre-cut there, so you can pull that foam block out and you'll be able to store extra batteries. This slot here is for the charging equipment and cables. As you can see, those parts go down in first. The cabling goes down first. And then over top of that, the charging brick just fits in there. There's a small circular hole there. If you own one of those lens cleaning pens, that'll just fit down in there like that. And again, right beside that, there's a little slot, and that's for the GPC memory card holder. You can hold all your spare memory cards in a little simple credit card size case, and that will fit down in there like that. Of course, over here on the side is a slot for the goggles. They just fit down in there like that. And one nice thing, the way it's cut out, is that you can leave your antennas on and they're going to be fully protected. You don't have to worry about accidentally snapping them off. Controller over here on the right hand side, and as you can see, you can leave your sticks on if you so wish. We got two slots here for spare batteries. And lastly here, we got a spot for the drone, just like that there. So as you can see, it fits everything nicely from the DJI FPV combo and the Fly More kit. We'll close it up here. And now your drone is safe from water and impacts. Now, when it comes to hard cases, there are some situations where they're not ideal. If you have to hike a couple kilometers into a location to fly, sometimes a backpack might be your better option. But for everyday use, travel, car trips, any of those kind of adventures, a hard case is your best choice. It's going to give you the ultimate protection for your drone. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you in the next one.